Hello, everyone. I want to share something I built that I'm genuinely excited about. And I think if you're in commerce, digital strategy, or just love seeing AI do real work, you're going to want to watch this. I built a fully custom AI content engine for my own website, commerceace.com. At the core of it is a Claude AI agent, an intelligent agent that I engineered to write in my voice, understand my niche, and generate fully structured blog posts on topics like Salesforce Agentforce, Shopify, AI automation, headless commerce, and more. But here's what makes this different from just hitting a button and dumping AI content on your site. I built in a full editorial workflow, a custom CMS admin panel, automated image sourcing, and a publishing schedule, all without touching any third-party CMS. Let me show you exactly how it works. So here's the live blog on commerceace.com. Real posts, real images, fully published, all AI generated and reviewed by me. Each post has a title, an excerpt, a relevant image, and a full article with proper structure, headings, and paragraphs for SEO and AEO best practices. Now over here is my admin panel. This is where I manage everything. I can see my drafts waiting for review, my published posts, and my total count. And right here, I can generate a brand new post on demand as well. Watch this. I hit generate post, and my Claude AI agent gets to work. It picks a topic from my list, writes a full post in my voice, and pulls a relevant image from Unsplash, all in about 15 seconds. Done. Post created. Now here's the important part. It doesn't go live automatically. I stay in the loop as the final author. Every post lands here as a draft. I can review it, read the excerpt, see the image it pulled, and decide what to do. If I want to make changes, I hit edit. And this is where it gets really useful. I can see the image the AI chose. If I like it, great. If I don't, I can paste any image URL I want, or I can search Unsplash directly from right here inside the admin. I can also edit the title, the excerpt, or the content itself before publishing. Once I'm happy with everything, I hit publish. And now watch this. I switch over to the live blog, hit refresh, and there it is. Brand new post live on the site right now. Title, image, excerpt, everything exactly as I reviewed it. And even after something is published, I can still edit it. Every published post has an edit button. Because things change, your content should be able to change too. And the part that makes this a true AI content engine, it's fully automated. I've set up a job that runs every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday morning. My Claude agent writes a new post, grabs an image, and drops it into drafts, waiting for my review when I wake up. No logging in to generate, no prompting. It just runs automatically. So to summarize, I built a Claude AI agent engineered to write in my voice and expertise, automatic image sourcing, full editorial control that allows me to review, edit, approve, or reject every post before anything goes live. This entire process runs on autopilot 3 times a week via a scheduled job, and I can edit any post even after it's already published. No WordPress, no subscription CMS, just a lean, intelligent system built exactly the way I needed it. Now I want to hear from you. What would you add to something like this? An SEO scoring layer, auto posting to LinkedIn, A/B testing headlines? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're a commerce brand or agency that wants something like this built for your own site, reach out. This is exactly the kind of work Commerce Ace does. Thanks for watching.